Okay, so I know I should have filmed taking it, but I didn't. And look at how dark that OPK is. That's so dark. Say hi, ladies! Hi, ladies! Okay, so today we are on our way to Manor Farm in Southampton. It is an absolutely glorious day and I'm picking myself up from the other day when I was really low of mood. So yeah, we are going to be doing that today. Baby bear! Charlie's got a big heavy truck in his hand, so if we crash it's going to get punched into the back of your head, Matt.
That's right. After my low day the other day, I'm taking my husband with me to look after the children. Whilst I play with all the baby animals.
Whilst I play with all the baby animals. I love baby animals. So yeah, if you didn't see from that last little clip, it looks like my OPK is super dark, super positive. So that's what a positive, like a true positive, looks like. The left-hand side is so much darker than the right-hand side. I get so many messages from ladies like looking at their OPKs and saying like, is this positive? And the two lines have to be the same darkness, and then the one on the left can even be darker for it to be a positive. Did you just make a vomit noise? Don't be sick. Don't be sick, because we don't have a spare change of clothes. Whoa, we're nearly here. We're just driving like a mile. Hi ladies. Okay, so after like 1,001 turns, I managed to park my car. And yeah, no, I did really well. Everyone was watching and there was loads of people just waiting to park. So we're not actually at Manor Country Park, we are at Longdown Dairy Farm because literally there was no parking at the other place. So yeah, but as you can see in the background, there's so many cars, we were so lucky to get a parking space. So. Oh, look! Wow, you got loads of them. Where's Charlie? Charlie?
Hold the plate.
Oh, look, Charlie! Nummies! Look at them eating the nummies!
Can they stroke their heads?
I don't want to stroke their head. Harry, do you want to stroke them? Aww.
Harry, hold the plate.
Stroke them. They won't bite.
Oh look, there's a little goat.
Oh, you can't have any because you're too small. There you go. Look at the duckies. Ducks. Let's not stand in a puddle.
Ducks and
Oh, Charlie's got his wellies on, that's alright.
You see the ducks?
Look at the duckies. Quack, quack, quack.
There's the kids are over there.
Doing what?
No, kids. Baby goats.
Oh yeah, should we go see the baby goats? Come on in. Look, Charlie. They're babies. Look at the babies, Charlie. Oh, look. Harry, stroke him. Oh, look. Hi. Oh, I'm sucking my finger. That's so cute. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want him to suck your finger?
No.
He's sucking my finger because he's hungry. Put your finger in its mouth. Oh, your thumb looks like a boob. Hi, what are you doing? Oh, look at the little ducklings. Look at the little chickies.
Should we see what else we can see?
Look at them go, aren't they cute?
Those,
Look at the little
those
chickies.
are chickens.
Can you see them? These are the ones that lay the eggs. Look at these babies. These were only born like a few weeks ago. Aren't they so tiny? Aww. Wow. Piggy. He's so cute. Come on then, let him in.
No, I see. Remember, I can't
Do you want to go in? Do you want to go in, babe? Good boy. Wow! Yay! Good boy. Come on then. Which way do I go? This way? Charlie, up there, up the step.
Go along here then. Go along and get that damn tray.
Oh. Quick, he's gonna go.
Let's get his foot stuck.
Oh.
Help him with his foot. That's it. Sit down. Yay! That was good. Little daredevils, look at them! Look at them! Hey, this is the picture of Happy Nurse. But about 20 seconds ago, we were screaming and didn't want to eat. Say hi, boys!
Hi, boys.
Charlie's tired because he hasn't had a nap, but he's eating a sandwich okay. There was a person who we walked past actually whilst I was carrying Charlie screaming, and he was screaming so loud and this guy was like, oh dear, and I just looked at him and went, we're having a fun day. Yay! Yummies! We've just got absolutely covered in mud. It's on my front. Oh! No, the other way, please. I don't want to get covered in mud again. Oh, for goodness sake! Why does this keep happening? Matt!
You wanted it over that way.
Look at the state of you. Look at the state of me. I don't want to play this game anymore. I'm going to go stand over here. Push! He's trying to pedal it. Look, Charlie, look at Harry. No, you do it. Push your feet along. That's it. Good job. Crash!
The goats.
Smells disgusting.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it
Smell the bottle.
That's just a bottle smell, not the milk smell.
Oh, I don't know.
Smells yummy. The goats.
Oh, it's probably goat milk, isn't it?
Yeah, goats have their own formula of milk.
Yeah.
Same with cows and all creatures that make milk.
Yeah. And the milkies. Two minutes from home and the baby's asleep. How did I guess that would happen?
And Harry's had his face painted.
Looks very good, Harry.
As a tiger.
Are you happy?
The nose, some of it is actually going away.
Is it because you're rubbing it?
Yeah. Hang on, it only comes off in water.
And now Mummy's going to get my tattoo redone. It's just worn off a bit. So they said that they would redo it for me for free. So I just need to get out of these muddy clothes and then I will be going.
Because Daddy dropped a load of mud in a big muddy puddle at a play activity park.
Closure after 22 years on the Charles Chilton Bridge. Almost £1 million has been spent.
Hi ladies, okay, so we are all showered and the boys are now in bed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!